Let's see if it's tender. Ooh, tenderness. Ooh. All right, good people, we back with another one. Right now we're doing a special one. We got a Southern classic baked turkey wings with gravy. And as you can see, I got the turkey wings here. I got my vegetables already cut. Just trying to make it a little easy, make the videos a bit shorter. You know, but if you want to see me cut all the stuff up, I will. Just let me know in the comment section if you want to see me do all that. But I just don't want to bore you while we're doing all this stuff. So I just try to do it all off camera and make it a lot easier for me and a lot easier for you guys to watch. All right, so here we go. We got some turkey wings. No drums. As you can see, the turkey wings. So I prefer the flats. I like these a lot better. I know everybody had their preference. Some like the wings. The flats. Some people like the drums. But I like the wings better, so I went with the wings. And I got some celery, some red pepper, green pepper, onions, and garlic. That's going to go on the bottom of the turkey wings. So I worked in a restaurant for years. And basically how we roast food, or roast like chicken, beef, pork, turkey, we always put some type of vegetables at the bottom. We normally use like mirepoix with onions, celery, carrots, or you could use the same what you see right here. But today I'm going with this. I'm not using carrots today, I'm using this right here, so we're gonna go with that. And of course I got my seasons on the side, all my garlic powder, onion powder, all that good stuff. We're gonna make a blend. So we're gonna put the blend together, then we're gonna use that same blend for the turkey, and we're gonna make the gravy as well with that same blend. Then I got my flour and all that to make my roux and make my gravy later. But some people prefer to put the gravy kind of mixed up in a pot with the turkey when they're cooking it. I prefer to do it after the fact. That's just the way I do it. But either way, it's gonna be fire. So sit back, relax, and let's get into this recipe. All right, let's go ahead and make our seasoning blend, and then we're gonna season our turkey. All right, so the first thing I do, I like to mix all my seasoning together, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I use for my turkey wings. So we got our slap your mama. We don't use a whole lot of that because we know that's, this one is heavily salted, so we're not gonna use a whole bunch of that. We got the Maggi chicken bouillon, or the chicken bouillon flavor. Use a little bit of that, not a whole lot of that either. All right, we got some Italian seasoning. Put some of that in there. Not a whole lot of that. Of course, we got some garlic powder. We got some onion powder. Some of that in there. All right, we got some sage. Gotta throw that sage in there. Got to. We're gonna put some good old sage in there. We got some paprika for a little color. Not so much flavor. If I had smoked paprika, then yeah, it'd probably be a little smoky, but this one really made it for flavor. For color. So go ahead and get that in there. And then we got some good old black pepper. You could use already grounded one, or you can grind it yourself. But for this recipe, I'm just going to use one already ground. Make it a little bit easier. And we got complete seasoning too. You're gonna go ahead and drop that in there. And so you know, the full measurements for all the stuff I'm using will be in the description below in the recipe. So go ahead and tap in with that, and you'll be able to see all that. So now, let me go ahead and get a spoon, and I'm gonna go ahead and just mix it all up. Go ahead and get that mixed all up real good. And then we're gonna season the turkey with this blend. And also, if we need to, we're gonna use some of this for the gravy too. So I'm just gonna season it up pretty good and then taste it and see how it tastes. And then we're gonna go ahead and use some of it for the gravy too. All right, so we're gonna set it to the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and put our turkey directly on the cutting board. Put that down like that. That's a big piece right there. All right, so we got 6 pieces. Then we're gonna use olive oil and use this as a binder to kind of help the seasoning stick to it. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of the seasoning on the turkey wings. And you can season these pretty good because poultry in particular, like chicken, turkey, it could take a little salt, but not too much, of course. We don't want it to be salty. All right, so we're gonna do it like that. And then we're gonna flip them over and repeat. A little olive oil. All right, and then repeat, same blend. Now don't be afraid to get your hand dirty. Go ahead and get you some gloves and massage the seasonings into the turkey wings. Make sure it's nice and covered with the seasoning. And you know, don't be afraid. We're gonna add some more, go ahead and add some more, but this right here should be enough. Whoa, that's crazy. Hey man, listen, get your mind out the gutter, okay? Whoever watching this video, bruh, don't be around here talking about pause and whoa, what you doing with that meat? Hey man, listen, bro, I'm cooking, dog. We cooking, bro. We ain't doing none of that crazy stuff. You heard? We in here cooking, man, trying to get these recipes out, bro. So don't be in the comments talking about whoa, chill out. Why you massaging that meat like that? All right, so boom, look pretty good. So, all right, take a look at these. You know what I'm saying? Look good. So let's go ahead and grab our pan, and then we're gonna go ahead and load these up inside the pan. All right, let's go ahead and load this. And then put these inside the baking pan. And we're gonna go ahead and get these things in the oven. All right, but first, we're gonna put our vegetables at the bottom. Throw them in there. Like that. All right, more garlic in there. Then mix it up a little bit. Like that. All right. So now we got these mixed up. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our turkey right on top of that. So just put them. You can put them on. You can put them on whatever side you want to put it on. I'm gonna put it on that side right there because it just, I think it looks better. Drop them on like that. And then drop them like that. Oh. Like that. All right. Another thing I like to do, I like to put a little bit of water in the pan. It's kind of right at the bottom. All right. Put a little bit of water in there. And then we go ahead and add our foil. Foil. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven for maybe like 45 minutes. And you'll let it cook covered, and then we're gonna take the foil off and put it back in the oven again and turn the broiler on and kind of get some color on top. And we're gonna baste it with the juices from the turkey, and all that does is kind of helps it give us a nice color, you know. So because the turkey tends to get a little dry, and then you just kind of baste it to kind of keep it moist, and that helps it with the browning process. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 365 degrees, and we're gonna put it in there for about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. And then once it's done, we're gonna take it out and I'll show you what it look like. All right, go ahead. Check out the turkey. Just been in for about an hour. So let's go ahead and take this off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're looking like money. All right. So we're looking good. We're looking good. So yeah, we're looking good. All right. So usually what I do, I like to take these out just to get the vegetables from the bottom. And then what I do is I take some of the vegetables and put it to the side. And I use some of them when I make the gravy. Kind of leave them whole. And then some of them, I just blend them up. Look at that. Really good, all right? So now, we're gonna take some of this out, put in the bowl. Matter of fact, we're gonna take all of it out. We'll take all of it out. Oh, all right. That's the vegetables. And now, we put the turkey wings right back in there. Hot boy. All right. And then now, what I like to do, take some of the juices from this and baste it. We're gonna baste it, and we're gonna put them right back in the oven. And this time, we're gonna leave it uncovered. We're gonna put it on broil. We get that color. And while it's in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and make our gravy. Let's make our gravy. Put the butter in. And we're gonna make a roux. So we're gonna use some Kerrygold butter. Then we're gonna throw in some all-purpose flour. So we got some Kerrygold butter, and then we got the flour. All right, so we just wanna mix it up a little bit. Let that cook down. Turn it a bit. Turn the heat down a little bit. Add a little bit more butter. So we want this to kind of brown a little bit. So I added some more butter. I'm starting to get the color I need. All right. Boom. Now, we'll go ahead and put our vegetables back in. All our vegetables right back in now, all right? And then we're gonna go ahead and mix that up a little bit. I know you're probably wondering, why so many vegetables? Well, these were the vegetables that was on the bottom of the turkey. And if you ever worked in a restaurant, hotel, resort, country club, or some sort like that, and you ever had to make a roast turkey breast or roasted pork tenderloin, beef tenderloin, we always put vegetables on the bottom. And then one thing we do is we blend it to keep the flavor. How? I got you, don't worry about it. I'm gonna put you on. So we use what we call an immersion blender. All right? And then we just drop it in, make sure you get to the bottom, and then you pulse it. And that's how we're gonna get all that smooth. And that's how you get that maximum flavor too. By blending all the vegetables, all that fun and all that goodness from that turkey or whatever you're roasting, you wanna blend the vegetables. Blend it all. Make it smooth. And then you got maximum flavor. All right? And once you get to this point, you can add some more water or some more broth to it. And then once you do that, then you go ahead and adjust the flavors, your salt, your pepper, and all the above. And if it's good, go ahead and put it on top of that turkey. And that's how the gravy look. All right. Nice and chunky gravy. Gravy done. Let's see if it's tender. Ooh, tenderness, huh? Ooh, ooh-wee. Look how tender that is. Let's taste it. Oh my God. Oh my God, the flavor down to the bone. The turkey is so tender. Oh my God. Anyway, you got another one. Southern style baked turkey wings. What would you put with this? What side would you put? Rice, mashed potatoes, macaroni, green beans, lima beans? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this. And we'll see you in the next one.